Now, one thing that we always talk about, we go back and forth about, this opportunity and what makes it so dope. But one thing I like about the whole opportunity is being in the fitness industry. If you are a personal trainer, like you was just saying, this is
Hmm.
something that you can easily, present to your clients or even potential clients. Because once people see the value in Live Good, especially if they're trying to get in shape, if they're trying to get healthier, it is so easy to present the Live Good opportunity to these people. It's almost like why wouldn't you do this?
Absolutely.
Really
Yeah.
anybody, looking for an opportunity, but especially if you are in the health and wellness industry. What was you gonna say?
I was gonna say, and the other thing too is to have the opportunity to educate yourself with the products. I mean, the company is amazing. They shoot out videos, educating you about the supplements and things that your body needs. And you can take that same information and present it to your clients, and it's going to make you seem even more awesome, than what you are
Right.
as a trainer or as an instructor. You're going to be so knowledgeable. And the most important thing, the thing that got me is it's not expensive. It's 9.95 a month.